beautiful Friday afternoon right here on this YouTube streets, the 8th of May 2026. And the time right now, it is exactly 2 minutes before the hour 12 o'clock. And welcome to the weekly Rap podcast, where we make sure you are updated with all the trending news that you might have missed this week. And as usual,
you're bringing back the radio thing, huh?
Yep.
I see you flowing, I can see you cooking. I hope you are good, I hope you are now, I hope you are fresh. And welcome back to the weekly rap, proudly presented by Ndoni
Natasha Entertainment.
And welcome back. Hope you are good, hope you are now. If I got subscribed, you know what to do already. If you have subscribed, Mola, Dumela. Hope you are good.
So guys, we have a jam-packed episode for you because there's just a lot of interesting things this week. Starting Gono Tabalo. He's very controversial, he's very opinionated. Like but what he said Izolo, I'm not sure if we say Izolo, but I mean I saw it Izolo. So he was on a podcast and then he made some very shocking claims in the Mamkoni, the legendary actress Mamkoni, who was an actress with Black Panther and also an actor as Unkosikazi Kaprakop on Rhythm City for a very long time. Uti Unota, the reason why she passed is because she was attempting to do a BBL. Now, if you guys can recall, when Mamkoni passed, she was 74, 72. So she was 74. Now, I don't know any 74-year-old that would want to have a BBL. So I'm really not sure ukuthi le information yakhe uyifumanapi.
True. The first thing we have to note about Nota is that Nota is a very interesting individual. Like in
that he is.
The fun side of entertainment, as you all saw, it was going down at Met Gala. Did you see?
Yeah,
Met Gala 2006.
Yeah, Met Gala was really
everybody was fresh.
They brought the game on.
See, now I'm trying to mimic.
Yeah, you look very nice. You look very nice.
We had stars from Tyler, Bad Bunny, the Carters. Yo, Jay-Z was rocking a 6.4 million piece. Did you see that?
I saw that watch. You know, I would really love to know what makes a watch to be that expensive. What does it do?
It's because of the reputation. Maybe like Jacob and Co. I'm not sure if you know those companies.
I don't even know brand watches.
Jacob and Co. is owned by billionaires and multimillionaires. Or Richard Mille is owned by like prominent people on that side. So
like if uzo Google or if uzo by a heart attack and then you go alert.
No. What was your favorite outfit?
Doja Cat really dressed well. I like the latex dress. And Tyler iloko yake representing water. Remember what's name called water. Yeah, and also Kylie Jenner. Yeah, and Kim Kardashian. Like I have a lot of favorites. Like and the theme was fashion is art, and they really stick to the theme. Yeah, they really went. And also Beyonce's dress was not that bad. I know a lot of people but but it was really not that bad. Nega Rihanna, it was really not that bad. So yeah.
Apparently we lady do that like kasha abantu ne uzobamsebenzela on her salons and type of business. She hires people based on their background, not on their skill.
And then she takes them to school to learn the skill.
True. But then now to some other people it's sticked in a wrong way, because now it's like she is trying to exploit disadvantaged people, because obviously if you're from a disadvantaged background you would want to work for her regardless of
because she is Lady Do,
obviously.
And in the comment section there was a lady who came forward she's a regular kuma salons ka Lady Do, and she changes staff all the time, and that impatho yakhe ayikho and that abantu akababhatali kahle. Like it was a lot. That lady was saying a whole lot. She was saying a whole lot, I feel like those are very strong and serious allegations. If you're going to say something like that, come with receipt, because she even went as far as saying uzo cousin wakhe I'm sending screenshots of bank statement, because apparently cousin wakhe usebenzela uLady Do, and also she's gonna call her former employees ukuthi ba collaborate lento ayithethayo. So I'm asking her ukuthi, girl, do you have receipts yezinto uzithethayo? She didn't answer me, or maybe I didn't see her reply. So I feel like if you're gonna come online with such very strong and serious allegations, come with receipts, darling. Come with proof.
Tangible.
Come with proof. It's really hectic, and a lot of people the reason why she's doing it like that, it's so she can exploit them, blah 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 blah. It's a lot. Mlindo, the vocalist, he has been quiet for ixesha elide when it comes to music. Is he still releasing new music?
Not that I know of.
Because and then girlfriend wakhe or wife wakhe exposed him on her social media, Instagram, in stories, on her stories. Ati yena now she is very tired of protecting him, of protecting his career. So apparently Umlindo has been abusing the mother of his child. Umlindo has been beating the hell out of me. When he drinks and gets drunk, uyazikakela azichamele, and then I have to clean that up with my bare hands. Yo, girl, that yo, uyazi ugel unesibindi. Lungaphela uthando. Hayi lungaphela kaloku sithando sami. I cannot be cleaning after your gagas. No. I cannot. I would understand in Dobanba I have to clean after your gagas, maybe we are gula or you had an accident, you understand. But because you were drinking and you are expecting me to clean your
on top of that, I'm bad.
On top of that, we are the better. So kesana ugel uti she knows ukuthi even nalo case won't go very far because utadakhe the police baza yenza inyamalale. Ati he is nothing like the music he sings. Umlindo lo ucula ama love songs. Kanti at home he's not lovey-dovey, he's something else, he's the opposite of what he's singing. And ugel even
talk about irony.
Talk about irony. No. And ugel uche into banba, he has given me so many infections.
Yeah.
Mlindo.
That's yo.
And on the other news, our favorite influencer Udominic has been trending again this week. So apparently kutiwa Udominic akazange ayise imali kwifamily le waye collector for a learner that was being bullied by other learners in Ukombo City, East London. So there's a comedian that came forward, esitho into banba abanye abantu they were collecting money for this learner and bayidla imali. So Udominic did make a video after that explain into banba kwenzekele ntoni now ukuze imali ingafiki kwifamily. So that it's a very long video, so you can just go and check it out on the shorts videos la page yami uzivele into banba uphendle wathini. So there was also a follower uyambuza Udominic into banba hayibo mfazi iphi imali wayengazange iye imali kwifamily. Udominic uyaphendula again into banba the money is with the financial advisor, it's being invested. So if you fund imali yakho, just send me the POP proof yokuthi ubudonatile and then I can pay you back your money. Now I feel like that was not the right way yokuphendula, and I think that could have influenced the doubt abantu abaye babanayo into banba uyikile nyane imali. But on that video she does explain into banba no imali azange ndiyitye, ukhona imali makethetha, but I'm not sure noba ikwi-financial advisor okanye ukuyena, but yena willing into banba whoever donated amsendele i-POP so that azobuyisela everyone owayidonatile imali yena, because uthi uyazikhupha akasafuna ungena nix nento edibene nala family. Like mina xa ndimva the way athetha ngayo ingathi kukhona ukungabi nanyani, you know, kula family. nento edibene nemali, because nini uthi even nango-December bacelile imali ka-December wabanika, and then go-January, like there were also some documents that were requested which the family was not able to provide, you understand. And then nini sele sithi umntana udinga ifoni, and then uDominic wabuza into yobana uba why does a school child needs a phone, and then watsho into yobana uba lo mntana lona umdala una 21 years. Hayi bo kanjani, because umntana bedonethelwa kana 21 years, uyabo. So izinto ezinjalo, they would make anyone aphelelwe ngamandla angafuni anything ezako associate nawe. Nami if I was in his shoes and kube kwenzeke the way I thetha ngayo, bendingasofuna ukuzifaka, bendizawufuna ukuzikhupha. So I really don't blame her.
Hashtag lockdown loading. I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but okay, it's a new term apparently. Lockdown 2.0. So for those who didn't follow up on the story that happened, apparently there was a cruise ship that had 147 people, and in that cruise ship there was an outbreak of an illness called the hantavirus. To those who don't know, hantavirus, it's a virus mostly found in rodents being impuku, those type of things, and it's a very dangerous disease. And the symptoms wise, it's common things such as muscle pains, back pains, or flu, fever. So the World Health Organization, also known as WHO, they got reports about this illness broke out, and unfortunately 3 people have passed away due to it. A lot of people on social media have been teaching us basically about this is what maybe might come. The cruise ship, apparently it was on its way La Emzansi, and that the passengers and everything, they were admitted at Joburg. So it's kind of hectic now, and also we see there are 7 cases and then 3 people passed away, so we see it's kind of hectic. So a message from us as Natasha Entertainment to you guys is that we have to be careful, we have to protect ourselves, we have to also investigate more about this disease, because meaning we can just be chasing a rat outside, can't that rat player contains hantavirus.
I had someone esithi thina impuku zikhule nazo. Basisendlini bekuthi ukufika ummelwane impuku idlala esikini ungene kuba, and we've never had whatever virus. So ezizako impuku zi different
ish true. So hopefully the World Health Organization will come up with counter effects to counter this thing. Hopefully it does not lead to lockdown 2.0, because on TikTok people are buzzing by lockdown 2.0 is coming.
That's scary.
It's scary.
I don't want that. Alright guys, that's it for today, and we will see you next week Friday. We hope that you will enjoy this episode as much as we have enjoyed making it for you.
True. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the like button and the notification button. Stay tuned for more.
Bye for now.